weight loss pills, past and present, how they work, safety, and more. The need for obesity treatments is urgent. More than 2/3 of US adults are overweight, and more than 40% are obese, according to the most recent data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. Obesity is a leading cause of preventable premature deaths, as well as health problems like heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Roughly half of US adults try to lose weight, most often by exercising more, eating less, and adding more fruits and vegetables to their diets, according to the CDC. Many people can lose weight with those approaches, but studies show that the pounds often creep back on when people rely on lifestyle changes alone. This is a lifelong disease that requires lifelong intervention, and even when people make lifestyle changes, they still have to fight against weight gain, says Timothy Garvey, MD, a professor in the Department of Nutrition Sciences and director of the Diabetes Research Center at the University of Alabama at Birmingham. Medications can stop the processes that cause this weight gain. The troubled history of early weight loss drugs. Weight loss medications on the market today are generally approved for adults with obesity who have a body mass index (BMI) of 30 or higher, or adults with a BMI of 27 or greater who have at least one weight-related health problem, such as high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, or high cholesterol, according to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases. But very few patients who meet those criteria take drugs to lose weight. One study published in 2019 in Obesity collected prescription data from more than 2 million adults eligible for treatment with weight loss medications from 2009 to 2015. The findings indicated that just 1.3% of them filled the prescriptions. An appetite suppressant called sibutramine, marketed as Meridian, was recalled in 2010 after more than a decade on the market because of an increased risk of cardiovascular events and strokes. Next up, the prescription weight loss drug lorcaserin, Belvic, was recalled over cancer concerns in 2020 after more than a decade on the market. All of the medications approved in the last decade have a good track record of safety so far, says Adam Gilden, MD, an associate professor and obesity researcher at the University of Colorado School of Medicine. These newer drugs either combine medicines that have good safety records when used individually, or those that have been used for a long time to manage type 2 diabetes before gaining traction as obesity treatments. So, we can feel good that these medicines are safe, Dr. Gilden says. Also, every one of these medicines will be subjected to large post-marketing trials, which will further assess safety and longer-term efficacy. To isolate the effect of weight loss drugs alone, scientists subtracted the average weight loss in the placebo group from the average weight loss in the medication group. They found that participants lost an average of 6.8% of their body weight.